Hey everybody, I'm your host in 5 minute tutorials. For today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this futuristic machine gun in Blender under 5 minutes. So without any talk, let's start the video, shall we? So just go to new general. So I'm just going to start a new project. I'm not going to save this. So here we are. So let's start making the model in 3 2 and 1. So now what you're gonna do is basically scale it down with the y axis. So we're gonna scale to the x axis. Oh my god, sorry, scale. Okay, we're gonna scale to the z axis. Okay, so scale and z. So I'm just gonna turn on the shortcut UV. Okay, so now you can see my screen. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is scale Z, and then we're gonna not that much, just a bit, and then we're gonna press 2 on our keyboard. Okay, so we're gonna press 2 on our keyboard, and okay, so 2, and then press shift control, sorry, shift alt, shift control, yes, shift control, and shift control. Here we go, we selected the sides, so we're gonna press 3. So now let's bevel this. So now we're gonna do the same thing again, just IE and then 2 and then control alt, and then control B. Okay, so now we have the base done, so we're gonna do I, and then we're gonna add two bevel, two loop cuts. So now I'm gonna go here and then shift and then I, and then right click, loop cut, circle, and then we have a circle. So now we have the base, so we're gonna just press E, and then we have almost done the base. So now we're gonna go add another cube, we're gonna do it up. So I'm gonna make it really simple, so control B, and then we can scale it a bit on the Z axis. So scale Z. Okay, so okay, I'm really sorry about that. We are doing it wrong actually. So we're gonna add another cube here. So we're gonna scale it a bit down. I'm gonna scale it here, and then we are going to go here G, and then here. So now we're gonna press A and control B, and then we're gonna add another cube here. So here, and then control B, and then scale it up a bit. So now we have the base of the mesh. Now we can add so I'm just gonna customize a bit. So I'm gonna press here control R, wrote R, and then Z, R and X, no, R and Y 90. There we go. So I'm gonna press tab 1 on my keyboard, and then E, and then S to scale it, and then do it like this, and then 3, and then press A to select all, and then do this. So now we have a bit of everything done. We can press here, and then we can center it a bit. So we can, after doing that, we can do this. So I'm going to customize mine a bit more. So I'm going to press another loop, I'm going to add another circle. So now this time control RY 90, and then scale it down a lot, and then E, F, and then E, and then E again, and then scale E, and then I, and then again like this, and E, C, S, I to loop cuts, and then we are done. So the first part is done. Okay, so we're gonna just center it again, and then control C and control V, and we're gonna do this, and then control C and control V. Okay, so now we have a bit centered, control C and control V. Now we almost have it done, so we're just gonna move it a bit over here, and we have the base done. So now we have our base done, so we're gonna, let's customize it a bit more. So let's go to tab, edit mode, I, and then scale this up, and then add this loop cut, and then 3, and then E, and then S, and then loop cuts, and then circle, and then scale it a bit, and then this I to insert, and this. So we have this for now. So this is like a level 2. So yeah, we're gonna do this for now. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Actually, no, before I go, I still have, I have overdone it. So let me just do everything really quick. We're just gonna go here, material preview. So we're gonna add this. Let's add a metallicness to it. So we're gonna make it a black. We're gonna shade it smooth. Actually, no, we're not gonna do that. So now we can do the roughness a bit low. Do the same for that, and we are gonna do the same for that. Just drag it there. We're gonna new, and then this, and then again we're gonna copy this, and then shade this. So do the same for here. So this and this. So now we're gonna add it like this, and then we're gonna bump up the metallicness. Sorry for that. Okay, so now we are almost done. So now we need to go to change this from EV to cycles, and go here, and there we go. Voila, we are done. So we can do is add a plane, scale this up, and then we're just going to go to EV for now for the rendering part. So to E, and then G, and then press middle mouse button, and then we're going to go here, Control B to bevel it, and then shade smooth, and then scale it on the Y axis, and then we can do the lighting, which is the most fun part. So I'm gonna do the area, the spotlight, or the pointer of the sun. Oh my god, that's too much. So let's make a new light, and then an area light. So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do this, and we are almost done here. As you can see, this is gonna be a really nice render. So we're just going to do all the procedures really quickly. Okay, so Control V, and then rotate it around again. Okay, so now we are basically done. So okay, we are done. We're gonna disable the shadows. So we are done now. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and